Hello and welcome to the first lecture of astronomy course. In this lecture we are going to discuss about ancient astronomy, how all these fundamentals came into the picture, and we will take an overview of major discoveries done by ancient astronomers. So let's begin. Astronomy is connected with human history from very long time. In the beginning era, the planets and star constellation are connected with the mythological god and religion. Hence the astrology was born. But few years later, Copernicus revolution changed the ancient astronomy and modern era of astronomy began. From that time, astronomy started receiving financial support. Lots of research were done on this subject from ancient Greek, Egypt, India, and Western European countries. And so many theories were developed. Some of them were true and some are false, but considered as an official theory since new one was not found and accepted. Now let's take a look about an early ideas of the solar system. In early days, there were no high resolution scientific equipment, so all the research were done only using naked eye observation and prediction. Around 100 AD, there was ancient astronomer from Egypt named Ptolemy, who gave the first model of our solar system. He considered that the Earth was the center of our universe and all the other planets, sun, moon and stars are rotating around us, which is known as the geocentric theory. Greek philosopher Aristotle also believed in this theory. For few years, there was no research done and this theory is considered as the final model of our solar system. But in the middle of 16th century, Polish astronomer named Copernicus gave the true model of the solar system, in which he mentioned that the Earth is not the center of universe and Sun is not rotating around us, but the Sun is fixed and all the other planets are revolving around Sun in circular orbit. Actually, planetary revolutions are not in circular but elliptical order, which was corrected by Johannes Kepler in his research work. The model was known as the heliocentric model. His all research and theories were written in his book. In the starting of 17th century, the Galileo Galilei who discovered the telescope and everything was changed. Galileo was considered as the father of modern astronomy. He was the first one to observe the moon, Jupiter and its 4 large moons and phases of Venus. In remembrance of the Galileo Galilei, the name of the 4 large moons of Jupiter are known as the Galilean satellite. This discovery convinced the heliocentric theory of Copernicus, but it was not accepted by the church as the majority of people still believe in the geocentric theory of Ptolemy. Because of this, last few years of his life, Galileo was under house arrested and died at 1642. Now the actual modernization in the field of astronomy was beginning. In the 17th century, Sir Isaac Newton developed high-resolution reflector telescope and gave the laws of motion and gravity. He contributed a lot more to the astronomy and physics, which help us to understand universe till the present moment. After that, William Herschel discovered Uranus and Neptune back in the 18th century. Sir William also known for the catalogue of nebula and clusters, which is known as the Herschel 400 catalogue. And after that, in 19th century, Edwin Hubble gave the brief information about cosmic background of the universe. He was the first to discover that universe is expanding, and from then to nowadays, lots of research were done in the field of astronomy and still counting.